Hi guys, so what's up? Good day. So ngayon, I felt like I messed up. Not because may nangyaring di maganda, but because of uh, bad decision makings that I've done this past few days. Nakakainis lang isipin kasi I was thinking about an idea to edit a video regarding sa previous training ko together with Sir Don. Uh, Isang PBA player and currently nasa SMB siya sa San Miguel Beerman sa PBA. And the idea is gusto ko sanang uh, gawan ng video, yun nga, gawan ng reaction video or something like skills training video analytics. Yung gusto ko siyang gawa ng ganun na something like gusto kong pag-aralan ano yung or gusto kong pag-aralan and at the same time i-share yung mga bagay na natutunan ko dun sa ginawa namin and at the same time yung experience na uh, nakuha ko from that opportunity. Unfortunately, yun na nga, I messed up. So, anong nangyari, few days ago, I decided to delete entirely those video clips. So the reason behind it is that wala na akong space sa phone camera ko. I decided na naburahin siya, not thinking na meron pala akong computer and at the same time SD card. I mean external storage. So too late. But ayun na nga, nandun na ako sa sitwasyon na nabura ko na yung video and all that and umaasa ako na one day ulit makapag-training kami and at the same time makuhaan ko ulit ng footage yung training namin. Not just for the experience but gusto ko siyang gawa ng footage for you guys, for me to share for you guys. And ayun na nga, nakakalungkot lang isipin na nabura ko na yun. So, nakakainis lang. Pero, good thing about it is that, ayun, I've learned. And, at the same time, huwag magpadalos-dalos sa mga desisyon sa buhay. And, ayun lang, gusto ko lang siya i-relate. Kasi, why not? Ayun, so through that, what I've learned is that, yun, huwag magpadalos-dalos sa desisyon sa buhay. Kung kayang pag-isipan ng ilang milyong beses, gawin natin. Kung di natin pag-iisipan ng mabuti, yun, magagaya kayo sa sinapit ko. So, yun na nga lang, di ba? So, yun, di na ako nakagawa ng video and hindi na ako nakagawa ng kung ano mang content na maaari kong maibahagi sa inyo. Relatable siya sa life wherein, ayun na, hindi mo na siya mababalik. Lalo na na-delete mo na siya in the entirety of it. So, just like in life, whatever you are going through with, keep that in mind na huwag ka magpadalos-dalos sa mga desisyon. And at the same time, pag-isipan mo ng maigi. Huwag mong hayaan na hindi ka makapag-isip ng ibang paraan para solusyonan yung isang problema or isang issue sa life mo. And ayun, I hope na through this event of my life nakapag-share ako sa inyo. And yun, looking forward ako sa another opportunity na makapag-training kami ni Sir Don. But yeah, aside from that, I'm just hoping and praying na one day makapag-training ulit ako na isang elite player or kung ano man. And one day, magbunga lahat ng pinapangarap ko na maging isang skills trainer dito sa Pinas. And anyway, I forgot to introduce myself. So, I'm Coach Pau. I'm here at Manila, and I'm a skills trainer. Marami na rin akong na-train. But yeah, any levels, at any levels, intermediate, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Ayun, I'm just trying to get into this space. Sobrang tagal na, and ayun, I'm just looking forward na matrain ka. Kung gusto mo makipag-training sa akin, just send a DM on my Instagram or on my Facebook page. I also have my YouTube channel. So, kung napapanood mo to ngayon, nasa YouTube na to or nasa Instagram na. So even though I messed up, I believe there's a lesson through it, and I've learned from my mistake. And I hope that you learned something also from that. Yun, thank you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. And also follow me on my Instagram account at Next Stage Basketball. And marami kayong matututunan doon. Kung talagang hilig nyo talaga yung mag-improve sa craft ninyo sa basketball, puntahan nyo lang yung Instagram page ko, Instagram account ko. And yun, I'm just starting my YouTube channel. So, yun. Ano man mangyari from this day on, at the end of the day, I will say to myself that I just did my best. Whatever will be the outcome. So, see you guys on the next stage.